This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by reclaiming a stable environment. Restart your device and router to clear network and memory glitches. Next, update Roblox and your operating system so compatibility problems vanish. Once done, clear Roblox cache or temporary app files to remove corrupted state. This often stops crashes. Make sure to close other heavy apps to free 200-500 MB RAM and disable overlays like screen recorders, because running out of memory or conflicting overlays is a frequent cause of sudden closures. Now you'll handle mid-level fixes. If you're on Windows, run Roblox in compatibility or safe mode to bypass driver quirks and test. Reinstall Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables and update or reinstall GPU drivers, since missing runtimes or bad graphics drivers cause crashes. Also inspect Roblox and system logs for error codes or timestamps to pinpoint failing modules. If using antivirus, temporarily whitelist Roblox while testing. False positives can terminate the app abruptly, so test both enabled and disabled states. Finish by performing a clean reinstall. Uninstall Roblox, delete leftover folders, then reinstall from the official store to eliminate corrupted installs. After reinstall, test on a second device or different network to determine whether the problem is account, device, or network related. If crashes persist, gather crash logs, timestamps, and reproducible steps, then contact Roblox support with that info. Quick troubleshooting tip. If you see repeated error codes, search for that exact code in help forums to find targeted fixes before escalating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.